See that? That is what you do not do. Do not use perforated pipe as downspout extensions, because the water is just gonna go everywhere. Dirt's gonna end up getting in the pipe, fill it up, and it's not gonna work, and then that pop-up becomes useless. So please, use solid pipe. You should also have a clean out and everything, but that's everyone's personal preference.
And this is absolutely wrong. The clean out is upside down, and they glued the grate. Don't do this, guys. This is very bad.
Here's a perfect example of how not to run your downspouts, or tie your pump station into it. Look at that trip factor there. Look at that. And exposed all above the ground going around. Looks so ugly. It's gonna look so much better when we're done. Here's another perfect example of how you do not run your downspouts out. Look at that. That is horrible. Big entrance. Any kind of rabbit, snakes, anything can go in there and clog it up very easily. Please, guys, do not run your systems out like that. Another example of how to not run your downspouts. Guys, that is horrible. Please don't do that. Just do it the right way. Put it in PVC, underground, put it out to the street. Here's a perfect example of how not to run your downspout. I mean, look at that. Black on white, corrugated, bent, looks ugly, no clean out. What are you gonna do? Put a hose way up there to try to clean it out? No. Please, guys, don't do this. Do it the right way. Use the white PVC, clean out, screw cap, done. This is also how not to run your downspout. They have no clean out. They had to screw the downspout adapter to it, and it just goes out to here. Sadly, you might as well have not even put that. You could have just left it on the plate. But yeah, the water goes out here and goes to the neighbor. Another edition of Screw Your Neighbor. As you can see, we already had the mark out come in. They had somebody else put in downspouts over here when they had the pavers done, but sadly, as you can see, that is very incorrect. At least they have the downspout adapter, but there's no Y clean out, and that black corrugated stuff is not good because it can end up crushing and falling apart. Plus, you can never get a perfect downhill grade on it. And as you can see, I mean, look at this. It's two different colors they ended up using as well. That does not look professional nor good at all. But they did come out over here. This is why you do not use the black corrugated pipe. Stuff gets in it like crazy and it ends up turning.
And this is why you need cleanouts.
Yeah, if you don't have cleanouts, this all gets stuck in here and you're screwed. It builds up and then eventually it's useless. And then you end up looking like a crazy guy with all this gunk on you. So do it the right way. PVC all day long.